So, alright, this is a new channel. I am new to lockpicking. I've been doing it for about a month and a half or whatever. And I know you guys, everybody has seen all the videos on master locks and things like that. This is the Sisa from the short I made. This is a new set, it doesn't matter. But, so with my channel, my shorts or whatever, and just with the skill level, I guess I'm going to be moving away from master lock altogether. I am not going to waste any more money on any of these locks, because open this one in less than 8 seconds, open this one in less than a minute with rakes, open this one, they're all susceptible to low skill level attacks and easily picked. They have no security pins in them at all. So these are great for when you're first starting out, getting the feel of how a lock works and things like that. But I don't want to get stuck on these and stuck making videos on them, because I don't feel like it advances any skill level, and I am brand new to this, so I am looking for challenges. But I ordered a quick set smart key because I have a personal question. I just wonder if you can pick it, rekey it with a key from another lock. I just want to see if it works, so I ordered one. It'll be here tomorrow or whatever, and then I'm going to make videos on that. But as everybody knows, and I'm not going to go through and show it because everybody else has made so many videos, lockpicking lawyer, McNally official, lock noob, Bosnian Bill. There's a million ways to get through these, and I don't feel like using these master locks anymore will advance the skill level that I want. So I don't think I'll be featuring any more master locks.